Okay. Now, we've discussed in previous vlogs, if you haven't seen, you can go back and watch them if you want to, but now we have parallel lines. Parallel lines means two lines that will never cross. That means they both are moving in the same direction, but are not on top of each other. There's two things. Parallel lines, I assign some parallel lines, will have the same slope, but different y-intercepts. I'll show two. There. Took me some time. But you see here, we have two lines. They have the same slope, because I drew it that way, and two y-intercepts. So now if I draw my rise and run, you'll see what happens. Now, we're starting to use called subscript, M1, M2. All that is showing you two different slopes. One called, the first, M1, second called, derivative, M2. They match up with the lines. Here we have L1, meaning line 1. L2 for second, line 2. Okay, we can see here that also 2/4 equals 2/4. Therefore, the two lines are parallel. Because we can also see, obviously, the y-intercepts are different. So these two aren't equal, don't match. Those two do match the slopes. So we can say L1 line 1 is parallel to line 2. Now, we just showed the graph how we can figure out if two lines are parallel or not. But we also know from this type of equation, the slope, intercept, we can decide if these two are parallel or not. So here, the first equation has m equal to 3. The second one has m equal to 3 too. Now, that's also, we can see the b value. One is -7, the other one's +8, so it's different. Therefore, what? They are parallel. Now let's look at our second two equations. Because I'm so creative, I'm going to use 1 and 2 again. And again, I'm lazy. So, here, y equals x minus 7. Y equals negative x minus 7. The first slope is what? We don't write that coefficient, but it's there. It's 1. Now, also the negative x, really what's there is -1. If you prefer to write it that way, I suggest you do that. But in textbooks, on tests, and generally, we'll see negative x. We won't see -1x. Or we'll see x, not 1x. Okay? So now, the m's don't equal. Therefore, what? They're not parallel. Thank you.